Hello everyone! Today is very hot outside and I'm making some popsicles for the girls. Two kinds of healthy 5 minutes, very easy to do popsicles. So the first one we're gonna do some watermelon and the second one we're gonna do some chocolate fudge because we all love chocolate, right? So first, watermelon, very easy. What you need is a watermelon. We have plenty from the garden, so I'm actually trying to process and preserve some, and we're gonna preserve some by freezing the watermelon into popsicles. So to do that, I've already cut and processed in my blender, as you can see it, the watermelons in cubes. So just take out the seeds and blend. Smoothie function here for 20-30 seconds, and there it goes. It's delicious to drink as a juice, or you can make popsicle. And to do so, the only additional ingredient you need is some lime or lemon juice, whichever one you have. Here I have lemon, so we're gonna do it with lemon juice. I'm just gonna add, not much, a teaspoon. Well, actually a bit more than a teaspoon here, because I'm thinking I have quite a bit. Let's make it at least a tablespoon, if not two. I would say up to taste. Me, myself, I like it kind of lemony. The girls maybe not so much, like it more sweet. So you can just adjust depending on your taste, but I like the little pinch of lemon or lime in the popsicles. And then what you need is some popsicle molds. Where are they? So I got two. Let me show you one of them. This one actually is gonna be for the chocolate. Here's one I just ordered on Amazon, very easy, and they are silicone, which means very easy to pop out. You just press on it. So I will put the link in the description below in case you're interested. We've used it and actually enjoyed it. So this is my first batch of watermelon popsicle. We already had one. Yes, we wanted to try, but it's very easy to get out. It's cold, but yeah, it's meant to be cold, right? But here you go, a watermelon popsicle right there. So this is my first batch. Now we're gonna make together the chocolate fudge. So for the chocolate fudge, we're gonna need 4 ingredients. I'm trying out that recipe that's supposed to be healthy. So we're gonna use some semi-sweet chocolate chip. I've seen other videos and recipes with cocoa powder. Knowing it's for the girls, I'm gonna try the chocolate chips. That's likely to be a bit sweeter, I think, and not probably as strong. So we're gonna need here about a cup, a bit shy of a cup. I'm only making 6, so I don't wanna make too much. A bit shy of a cup. We're gonna have half a cup of milk. So here I only have the regular whole milk in the fridge, but I think using chocolate almond milk as a substitute must make it extra chocolatey and sweet. So probably for next time if we like the recipe. A bit of vanilla extract and some Greek yogurt. So here I have a 2%, so it's not completely low fat, depending on what you like. If you want it extra smoothie, I would take it full fat, but up to you here. So we're gonna start by melting the little cup of chocolate chips, and after it's melted we're gonna add the milk. This is really a very quick recipe to make. It took me 5 minutes in total. Just melting a bit the chocolate chips with the milk and then adding the vanilla extract and the yogurt. Very easy, very quick, and really something you can have your kids do in the kitchen under your supervision. It's a fun little cooking activity with a very nice result. We enjoyed the popsicles. I will put the full recipe at the end of the video with the recommended proportion for 12 popsicles. There it is, just the chocolate chips and the milk. I let it cool down 5 minutes. It was pretty warm. So I just added my vanilla extract here. If you want to know how to make your own homemade vanilla extract, I will put the link of my video somewhere on the screen above. Very easy to do, much better than what you buy in the store and much cheaper. So Now that is said, we're gonna add the yogurt. Greek yogurt. This is a plain yogurt. If you like it sweet, if you have a tendency to have a sweet tooth, I would recommend you to use maybe some flavored yogurt with added sugar, or add a tablespoon of sugar or maybe honey to this recipe to add a bit of sweetness. So I ended up only making 4. I didn't make enough for the 6, so good to know. I will put the full quantity next time and not cut the recipe I found by half. But there we go. It looks delicious, and let me tell you, it is. Wow, wow! I can't wait for it to cool down, freeze, and we're gonna try it out. So it is Sunday. I am finishing these popsicles, putting them in the freezer, and tonight we have a live like every Sunday evening. So we are going to try the popsicles with you guys during a live. So if you're watching this video after the live, make sure to go and check it out to see our reaction to both the watermelons and the chocolate popsicle, chocolate fudge. I am expecting the 3 of us to really go for the chocolate fudge first. But let's see how it goes and how good it is tonight. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel as well. More to come. Thank you all for watching. And while my popsicles freeze, I drink my watermelon juice. It is just delicious. While I really enjoyed this popsicle with plain Greek yogurt, the girls preferred it probably a bit sweeter, especially one of the girls. So these are my recommended proportions and ingredients using vanilla, Greek yogurt, and chocolate almond milk.